I'm Steve Jones from Redgate Software and SQL Server Central, and here I want to show you a little gotcha with Redgate Data Modeler that caught me. So I was away from this model for a few weeks, and you can see I've got this article and this article tag entity, and I need to relate them. I got interrupted in my modeling. So I clicked many to many because that's what I need, and I clicked article, and I got this, and I was like, what, can I drag this thing over? And I could move it around, but I couldn't drag it. And so I did this again and I went, well, that's weird. Like, why can I not move this? And then I came over here to the pane and I was like, why can I not change this here to match something? Like, how do I fix this? So then, of course, the smart thing is, let me go to the documentation here. And I went to logical modeling because I'm doing elements, relationships, and I was like, okay, I want to do this simple drag from one entity to another. Okay. So then I was like, okay, so if I drag and hold, I get this, and that's exactly what I want. So real simple gotcha, but something that can happen if you don't know how to use your tools well. However, you should know how to learn about your tools. I'm Steve Jones for SQL Server Central and Redgate Software.